Are you having insurance problems today?
I have found many of my clients are having insurance problems today, Sam. And it comes from not being able to insure a second home, to not being able to insure a teenage driver, to we no longer want you under our insurance policy, so you need to go find new insurance. Are you guys one of those? Then Sam has something to say.
Just know that in this current insurance market, you are not alone. This is why you can come talk to me, Sam Carmona with Goosehead Insurance. We can set up a consultation to talk about your insurance needs, what problems you're running into as far as getting insured, right? Maybe you're finding some challenges on renewing. I'm sure most of you have started to see hike in rates, right? And so my job is to make sure that I understand your needs by having a conversation, coming up with a solution, shopping the market for you, because I shop with, or I work with 40 plus carriers. So I'm able to shop the market for you, find a solution, find the best rates, and make sure that you are protected and what's most important to you.
This is why Sam is the perfect person for you to get to know, because he's willing to help you whether you stay with your current insurance or you need his services in finding someone new to insure you. Now, what are some other reasons why you might want to talk to Sam too? Most of us just get an insurance policy because the insurer said this is what you need. Sam will actually go through what your life needs are, your expectations, and also what are some things you might need to think about in your policy that they don't ask you about. Some of them are add-ons, some of them are not, but those things are really important for you to know in making that decision. Versus, what do we usually find out when they call the insurance agent? Oh my gosh, something just happened!
Yeah.
And then what do they usually hear?
Well, you don't have that coverage.
Yeah.
Or,
yes.
yeah,
that's it,
sure.
exactly.
For sure.
So, highly recommend Sam. He's wonderful for that. And Sam, how do we get a hold of you?
Yeah, for sure. If you want to start a conversation and just talk about insurance, talk about your needs, please give me a call. I'll help to bridge that gap between this complicated market right now and finding that need that you have, and we'll fulfill that. Call me at 210-942-4296.